What happens when four bright yellow puddles collide with vibrant blues and fiery oranges? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'll also be using a combination of colors. I'll be using cerulean blue, tropical blue, sky blue, orange, light orange, and yellow to create an energetic, abstract design. Orange is often associated with creativity and energy. It naturally attracts the eye and can completely change the feel of a painting. Fun fact, the color orange was named after the fruit. In this piece, the orange will add warmth and contrast against the cooler blues. One of the things I love about fluid art is how a simple color combination can tell a story. As I look at these colors together, I imagine glowing fireballs moving through a bright blue sky. Color contrast plays an important role in abstract art. Warm colors like yellow and orange naturally draw the eye forward, while cooler colors like blue tend to recede into the background. Together, they create depth and visual excitement. I begin by placing 4 yellow puddles across the canvas. Around each yellow puddle, I layer light orange, orange, and cerulean blue. To fill the negative spaces, I added tropical blue and sky blue throughout the canvas. This helps create the balance before movement begins. Now comes my favorite part. Will these colors blend together or will they create something completely unexpected? Using a blow dryer, I carefully push the paint outward from each puddle, allowing the colors to stretch and interact with one another. The blow dryer is one of many tools used in fluid art. It allows artists to move paint without touching the surface directly, creating soft transitions, dramatic movements, and unique abstract patterns. This is where I stop trying to control every detail. Fluid art often rewards experimentation. Sometimes the paint creates something even better than what I originally imagined. As I continue working on this painting, I want to take a quick moment to thank everyone for your patience and support while I healed. It feels good to be back in the art room creating again, and I'm grateful you're here sharing the journey with me. So now let's get back to painting and see where these colors take us. As the design develops, I tilt the canvas to encourage movement and help the composition flow naturally across the canvas. Now the painting is coming together. The bright yellow and orange glows against the blues, creating what looks to me like fireballs floating across the sky. The movement feels energetic, while the cool background keeps the composition balanced. Every section of this painting seems to tell its own story. This is why I love fluid art. A few puddles of paint can transform into something completely unexpected. What do you see in this painting? Fireballs in the sky, glowing sun, distant planets, or something entirely different? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed creating with me today, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.